So now let's go to your another space of this house. So ayan, nakalimutan ko yung master bedroom. Oh, the ensuite toilet and bath of this master bedroom. Good day everyone, and welcome to another episode of Unbox Properties PH Open House Tour. And on this channel, we unbox house and lot here in Pampanga. Also, we share some topics about real estate, and if you want to sell your property, you can always contact us right here with a partnership of Cab Realty and Compass Architectural Design Studio. And today, I can't wait to show you around to this modern tropical house located here in Timog Subdivision, Angeles City, Pampanga. But first, make sure to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will get notified for whenever we release a new YouTube video. And of course, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Unbox Properties PH for more listings. This is Belle, and let's go on with a tour. Alright, so you have this property, has a total minimum lot area approximately a 650 square meter lot area on a 350 square meter floor area. And right here you have this carport. And don't you worry, because you still have another carport at the back of your house, which I'm gonna show you later. And then, as you can see, you have this natural stone cladding here, and I really like the idea because it's very cool and it feels more inviting, as you can tell, right, since this one is a modern tropical house. All right, and on this side you have this beautiful lush garden. When you get this house, actually you can put more plants here, especially if you are certified plantitas and plantitas out there, right? You can do more landscaping, you can put some plants, right? And then, let's go through your main entrance. So you have this solid door, a big solid door. And welcome to your very, very warm and cozy home. Right, as you can see, you have the view already to your swimming pool area. So you have this foyer or foyer. And also, let's appreciate this high ceiling, right? It's all wood, and you have that modern tropical chandelier. It's so nice, so beautiful. It's so classy, actually. And right here, you have this powder area or powder room. And now, on this side, you have this beautiful living area. As you can tell, it's a very cozy, it's very neat and clean, it's very warm, thanks to all the woods texture or design of this house, like thanks to this wood ceiling. It's all woods. You have that a modern tropical chandelier, you have this ceiling fan, And as you can notice, you have that window also. And meron pa siyang natural stone. And I really like it because parang, you know, it adds more to the design of this house actually. Ako lang ba, I don't know if you noticed that sa camera, para siyang wallpaper dun sa window, right? It's a good idea actually. It's very clean, you know. You have this sala set. And take note that all furniture here are included. Right? So you can put some paintings, pictures, you can put some indoor plants over here. And also, let's go here first. You have this big sliding window. Mind you guys, this one is a UPVC sliding window, glass window. This is the access to your swimming pool area. So imagine that you're watching your kids dipping to the pool, right? It's so nice. And what I really like about this house is the open planning and the lights coming in of this house. Just look at this, right? And now you have this dining area. So it fits 8 seaters here for your dining table. And I really like it. I really like the setup because alam mo yan, parang talagang napaka-modern tropical ng bahay na to, right? What do you think? Comment down below. Okay. So right here, you have another sliding door, access to another space. It's so breezy, sobrang presko, right, as you can tell. And it's better to see it for yourself kasi sobrang presko talaga, you know, you can put more plants over here, this natural stone wall cladding. It's a good idea, right? And you have that window, you have this bamboo design. Pakita mo din. Yan, di ba? Cute. And now let's go inside. You have this kitchen area. You have this bar countertop. You can put some stools there for your breakfast nook, right? You have this wooden tiles kitchen countertop. You have this deep sink, one faucet, and a lots of cabinetry. So I believe this one is a duco wood. A lot of space, natural wood here for your storage. It's an easy open, as you can see. And a lot of space here, right? You have this outlet for your kitchen appliances. These are all included as well. More storage, shelves. And on this side, you have your informal kitchen. You have these breakers for easy maintenance. You have this very spacious informal kitchen or your service area. You know, you have these big windows, di ba? Ang liwanag na actually you don't need the lights because of this big window, lights coming in, right? So now, let's go here to your maid's room. You have this helper's room or staff room, and it has its own toilet and bath. So, yan, nakita mo. And also, you have this access to your lanai or your swimming pool area, but that's for later. Let's go here first. So now you have this, you have this dirty kitchen. You can have this as your laundry area, your dirty kitchen, and you have this 6 carport, the one that I told you a while ago. You still have this carport, it fits 6 cars. And what I really like about this house is you have these outdoor spaces. You know, you can play badminton here with your kids, your friends, your relatives, right? You can play badminton. So imagine the potentials of this house, right? You still have the space. You can put some tables and chairs, your daily lounging, having your coffee, your daily lounge, relax, right? You're watching your kids playing to that space. So now let's go. Oh, this room is for your staff room, but this meron tao, so just leave it there. You have that toilet and bath as well. And let's go now here. So you have this covered lanai. You have that one sink, and you have this swimming pool area. You can see this one is a 4 feet depth. And mind you guys, if you want to invest with this kind of house, you can make this as your rest house or as a private resort, right? So it's totally up to you if you want to turn this as, it's a big investment actually. And it's a good investment, right? And right here, you have this gen set for maintenance of your swimming pool. And also, don't forget to click the subscribe button, as you can see, if you haven't yet, so that you will get notified sa mga video na ina-upload namin. And we will keep doing this, right? So now, let's go to your rooms. So on this area, you have 3 bedrooms, including the master bedroom. But first, let's go to your bedroom number 1. So as you can tell, it's a very clean, it's very bright, and it's very spacious. And I really like all the rooms here because it's very, as I've said, it's very spacious. You have that built-in cabinets. Ayan. So, mga gamit lang, but a lot of storage for your clothes. Right? And you have this window and air conditioned unit, and all the rooms here has its own air conditioned units. That's a plus. So now let's go to your bedroom number 2. So, diba? Sabi ko nga sa inyo that all rooms here are spacious, a lot of space. You can have this, has its own air conditioned units. You have this also a built-in cabinets for your clothes, your things, your stuffs. Right? It's very nice. So when you get this house, you don't need to have like this because you have that already. Okay, so now let's go to your also you have this common toilet and bath. So ayan, it's also fully finished. It's so clean, as you can tell. It's all tiles. And now let's go to your master bedroom. You have this hallway. You have this Venetian blinds, and then you have that view of your swimming pool area. And look at this one. You have this big master bedroom. So this is included. You can put some couch actually dahil sa laki ng master bedroom. You have this 2 sliding window. 3 ba to? Ayan, 3 sliding window. You have the view at the back of your house, side of your house. You can put some television here, some hanging shelves, right? You can do a lot of this master bedroom. Like, you can do, and actually, as I want to recommend, if you get this house, if you want to redesign it, I really recommend Compass Architectural Design Studio. Because they offer design and build services. If you want to make this room as your, you can put your personal style here, right? Like you can put some cove lighting, pin lights, right? You can also repaint your room. Well, it's totally up to you if you want to turn this just anything you want, right? So now let's go to your another space of this house. So ayan, nakalimutan ko yung master bedroom. Oh, the ensuite toilet and bath of this master bedroom. So right here, you have this very spacious toilet and bath. You have this his and her sink. You have this beautiful bathtub. And then you have this wardrobe. Right, a lot of space here, actually. Oh. And you have this shower area also. So now, let's go here. You have this hallway. And I really like the idea because why not? Actually, hindi naman din common yung mga rooms is nasa ground floor. But why not? Because you have it's very easy access to your swimming pool area, di ba? Hindi mo na kailangan bumaba pa sa hagdan. And now, let's go to this area. Because you have this another toilet and bath. Saan ba yung ilaw nito? Oh, I don't know. Okay. I think yung ilaw nandito siya. Oh yeah, that's it. So you have this toilet and bath. So after dipping to the pool, you have this toilet and bath. You have this lavatory. Yeah, it's black. It's very classy, right? It's very clean. You have these wooden tiles for your floor. And now let's go to your second floor. You have these handrails, these concrete steps, right? And look at this, guys. You can tell, right? You have this overlook to your front house, your swimming pool area. Imagine that you have this coffee table here, reading books, having your coffee, talking to your wife, your kids, right? There's a lot of potentials of this house actually. All right, so now let's go inside. Oh, okay. So look at this. It's very clean, very minimalist. You have this double deck. It's very nice, right? And you know what? If I get this house, I'm gonna choose this room because I have that balcony and I have that view, right? And now on this room, you have this ensuite toilet and bath. It's also fully finished. It's also big, so you can tell, right? You have that two large windows, that small window. And I really like it. You can also, pwede din siyang gawing loft style, yung mga nauuso ngayon, right? Okay, so now, let's have some recap. Dito na lang, kasi maganda yung view. Okay, so this property has a total minimum lot area approximately 650 square meter on a 350 square meter floor area with 4 bedrooms. For toilet and bath. You have maid's room, you have swimming pool area, you have service area, you have a lot of outdoor spaces, you have 6 carport, you have staff room, and this has a secured subdivision actually. And you know what? Siguro mga 10 to 15 minutes yung biyahe dito kung papunta ka sa SM Clark or SM Talabastagan or sa Clark Airport. It's very accessible actually. So if you know anyone who are looking for this house, you can tell them or share this video or send us a message on our Facebook and Instagram account at Unbox Properties PH, helping you bring out your dream investment into reality. Call us and we'll make it happen. Thank you for watching us up until the end of this video. Once again, this is Belle, and see you on our next open house tour. Bye for now.